Hello folks, we are back at Lazy Days. Well, hello, we are back at Lazy Days. So no, we haven't done any videos of camping because our camper has been out of commission. As you know, we had a tire issue, did a lot of damage, and we don't know. Our camper has been here for several months due to Hurricane Ian. They called and told us that we either had to, they couldn't be responsible for what happened if the hurricane did any damage, so we either had to come pick it up or take our chances, basically. So I came down, picked it up, and now she's back here at Lazy Days. I'm dropping her back off again, so she's really dirty. But as you can see, she is really dirty. Really dirty. We did get the new tires put on, got rid of the Westlakes, so hopefully that issue is resolved. We are going to be changing out these rubber valve stems though. I'm going to go with a metal, and I'll do a video on that. For whatever reason, these everybody's that has these, doesn't matter which one you have, tire pressure monitoring systems, for whatever reason, they maybe when they're rotating or whatever, but it causes those rubber valve stems to leak. So I'll be doing a video on that. I've had to do it before, but overall she's just really dirty. Sitting out here, she's been here for several months. They did tell us that the stairs were fixed. I did let them know that obviously they're not. So, but here's the damage. It still needs to be replaced. Lazy Days said, I don't know if it's a grand design issue or communication issue between them, but it has taken several months to get these parts in. We're waiting on this piece, and this piece that have hopefully come in now. So up under here though, they did get this. Looks like they got this fairly good. So not sure what that loose bolt there is. I have to check into that. So, but overall, still got a lot of work to do. So hopefully, so once we finally do get her back, I've got a lot of maintenance I've got to do, and then we'll get back to camping again. So, but anyway, until then, here we are. Well, and we really don't know where the communication issue is. We haven't reached out to Grand Design. Lazy Days and Tampa here is where we bought our RV. So we brought it back here as an insurance claim. You know, like I said, they basically called us up and said that, you know, we can either pick it up or take our chances. I mean, I have insurance on our RV, full coverage, and I'm sure they have insurance as well. But in the wake of Hurricane Ian, which was projected in the path anyway to hit the Tampa Bay area, and we were also where we live, which is north of here, we also were projected to get hit by Hurricane Ian. And not sure how many of you have ever been through one of these, but you know, our home is a newer home. It was built to withstand supposedly hurricanes, but I'm a general contractor. I build homes, I rebuild homes, and I can tell you that a Category 4 or above, there is no structure that can withstand that kind of damage. You know, you're going to get damage, and you know, we have a family and stuff like that. So I came down here and picked it up. Our trailer is is physically okay. There's no issues with it, put it that way. The only problem that we know of is the cosmetic damage, or that's all that is actually wrong with it. So it is usable. In the event that we would have had to evacuate, it was nice to have our camper with us, even though it's damaged, because we would have, if this thing would have changed direction and we saw that it was headed towards us, we're not staying. I've been through too many of these things. I've seen the damage. I've been out after these things and had to help people rebuild and things like that, and some of which for some of the past hurricanes, not just here in Florida, but in New Orleans and New Jersey and some of these areas, some of these people are still waiting to rebuild, and just a lot of things happen. So, that's why we haven't done any camping videos for the past several months. We've been waiting for our RV to get fixed. Ironically, they said that all the parts came in and they were going to schedule it in, but in the wake of Hurricane Ian, they were going to basically have us come pick it up, and we rescheduled. So I rescheduled it, and we're I brought it back. They are busy here. A lot of other people did it as well. There's a very large, I think that the largest RV dealership in the entire nation, but they do a lot of work here. So hopefully they do a good job. I'll keep you posted on that as well. When we bought our RV, they've all, this is not the first one we bought from here. They've always treated us well as far as that was concerned. And the only service that I've ever had done were, routine maintenance work and stuff like that. I do a lot of that myself, but for sometimes just the convenience of paying $300-400 for them to do it, it's just worth it. And that way I don't have to be bothered with it. But and it depends, if we're getting ready to go out of town or something like that, and I've got a lot of other things going on, then I'll just bring it in here and get it serviced. But I'll keep you posted on the when we do the tire valve stems, and give you a little more detail why I prefer metal over the regular ones. And I know a lot of you are waiting on that. If you have the TPMS system, it seems like a lot of us has had problems with our valve stems. I had one that completely blew out, which we'll cover in another video. But anyway, we're going to close this one out, folks. Just wanted to give you a quick update on why we had some questions of why people hadn't seen us camping and stuff like that. Well, that's why. We're still waiting on it to get fixed, and it has been several months waiting for this thing to get repaired. So hopefully, they said it should be ready in the next 2 weeks. We will be booking to get out of here. We've got to book somewhere, or we're actually going to take it back home. I've got a lot of maintenance. We got to clean it. We got a lot of things we got to do to it to get her back and ready for the road. But once we do that, we are making some reservations. There are reservations available in some places, so we are going to make reservations somewhere. Don't know where yet, and we will cover that video completely for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. We enjoy your feedback. Also, please like and subscribe. Helps our channel, and we do appreciate it. And thank you for watching.